Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how do you add someone's name to a property deed, and we're looking ahead to 2025 for any fresh updates. Whether you're adding a family member for inheritance purposes, a partner for co-ownership, or even a business associate, this process can secure your assets and avoid future headaches. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a property deed? It's basically the legal document that proves who owns a piece of real estate. Adding someone's name means transferring or sharing ownership, but it's not as simple as scribbling on a piece of paper. You need to follow specific legal steps to make it official. Step 1. Consult a real estate attorney or a professional. Laws vary by state, and with potential 2025 reforms like digital deed recordings, it's crucial to get advice tailored to your location. They can help you decide on the right type of deed, such as a quitclaim deed for quick transfers or a warranty deed for more protection. Next, gather your documents. You'll need the original deed, identification for all parties involved, and any necessary forms. Once that's sorted, prepare the new deed. This might involve drafting it with your attorney to ensure it's accurate and compliant with upcoming 2025 regulations, which could include electronic signatures for faster processing. After that, get everything signed and notarized. This adds a layer of authenticity to prevent fraud. Then, head to your local county recorder's office, or use an online portal if 2025 tech updates are in place, to record the deed officially. Don't forget about potential costs. Filing fees can range from $50 to $300, plus attorney fees, and there might be tax implications like gift taxes if it's not an equal exchange. Finally, once it's recorded, confirm that the changes are updated in public records. The whole process might take a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on your area. Remember, this is general advice, and real estate laws can be tricky. Always double-check with a professional to avoid any costly mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.